Hey, what's up, everybody? Today is February 22nd, 2020. Today is LST in Conroe, Texas, which is about 30 minutes away from Houston. Here you see a lot of fixed-up cars like trucks, motorcycles, ATVs, cars, bagged, lifted, all kinds of stuff. To me, it's probably one of the biggest shows in Texas, if not the biggest show in Texas. You see, you get a lot of people from out of town. What else? The only thing is that I don't like about the show is that it's always in February and the weather kind of sucks all the time. It's either like rainy or it's cold or it's cloudy, and it's hardly ever sunny. But we're gonna go, I'm like 5-10 minutes away from there, so hopefully you guys like it. Now it's empty because it's early. We'll wait till like afternoon. It's gonna be crazy packed. Some TBN.
Plywood hauler.
Ice all over this thing.
Man, I didn't know it snows in Texas.
Time to set up. We are pretty much all set up already. Alright, this truck right here is clean.
So clean.
¿Verdad?
Damn.
It's clean, huh?
It's white interior. Digo, tan.
Look at that trailer. Oh, it's like a barbecue pit, probably. Yep. That's pretty cool. No era pinche Romeo, ¿te manchaste o que era todo bien manchado, güey?
Shit myself.
Romeo, mejor aquella, güey, esta era. This one has the actual short bed. It's not done yet. The lady brought us beer. La hallamos por fin.
Ay,
Chug of beer against another guy.
Man, I'm not really a beer chugger.
Shotgun it?
Yeah, you're gonna shug on it. I'm gonna open it up. Don't open them up. Don't open it.
Hey, she's gonna take.
Oh, she's gonna take the spot. I need one more volunteer.
You,
Whoever wins, you get to pick something for free from the booth. You? All right. Don't open it. Don't open it.
Not yet.
Hold on.
Hold on, let me get the video.
Shug on it. Hold on. I got it over here. Look, I got a special tool.
Oh, he's got the tool.
And they're all gonna be the same width, all of them. All right, guys, I'm gonna count you down to 3. So when I count to 3, you gotta drink it, but you have to drink all of it. And when you finish, drop it to the floor. That's the winner, and you get to pick either a free cap, a free shirt, free michelada. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, right here. Yeah, right here. They got you, girl. They got you. Congratulations. This guy that says what? HID kids? Congratulations. What do you want? A michelada? What do you want? And thank you for playing the drinking games with Scarface. ¿De qué sabor? ¿De qué sabor la michelada, compadre?
OG.
All right, let's get an OG, please. OG for the winner right here. Hey, in 30 minutes, I'm going to have another one, so come back. At 12:30, we're doing another race.
It's a really big man.
And you guys see this riding cooler right here? They're awesome. I went all the way around this thing real quick. I'm raffling it out. All you got to do is buy something in my booth. I'll give you a ticket. At 4 o'clock, you come back. It's that cooler too, the one next to it. A bottle of Patron, some AirPods, and I think it's 2 or 3 tumbler cups. So make sure you come back at 4 o'clock for the raffles.
Hey, where's your booth? Right there in the back. Right there.
That's how it
Alright guys, time to head home. That's a wrap for today. Kind of tiring. It was pretty hot at some points. Other times it was kind of cloudy, and towards the end of the show it got fresh. But I took like a 30-40 minute drive home. I'm tired. Day 2, Garibaldo, Cascarón. Manda saludos, Cascarón.
Saludos para toda raza de Cascarón, Soles Potosí. Fierro, pariente.
¿Quién es ese que está ahí de rojo, el chapulín?
El pinche perro. That's Romero.
You want to go see that lightning over there? Desde Aguascalientes, México. Si lo manejaron, no, nada de traila. That's Big Mac. ¿El cascarón qué año es esta, güey? Like a 50 something?
Like a 55, 56.
Good old friend at Texas Speed Lab Performance, Gumby. Coyote swap. It's pretty cool. Man, we need this for the gang.
Silent Saturday? Dude, man. Dale puro 65.
Mira.
Mira las llantillas, güey.
Ramiro, con esa Chevy, mira la que viene, da como una autopsia y esa el green.
Oye, ya está también cura.
Parece de un golf cart.
OPG. Hey Romeo, ¿anda rosado qué, güey?
Romeo.
Ponte ahí, güey. You got the camo to match. Yee yee. Yee yee. Tómate una foto, güey. For sale. 383 stroker. 35,000. Esta güey si los vale, esas Cheyenne Supers, those are even harder to find.
Lo que tiene arriba.
General Lee.
That boy classic ham right there. Yeah, man.
Well, that was it for LST. Brought my boy for the first time. He liked it.
Yeah.
Well, at least I think he liked it.
Yeah, it was badass, pretty good show.
A lot of good looking trucks out here. If you've never been to LST, you should definitely come next year. And what else?
Did he bring more Fords around here? I'm more of a Ford guy.
He's a Ford guy from heart. He was born in a Ford. He was conceived in a Ford.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. If y'all ever decide to come through, y'all gonna have a good time. But try to come on a Saturday, because Sundays they're kind of empty. It's mostly people just picking up their trucks and just heading out. So, peace.